There may be a time you would want to install a program on a PCS district device. To prevent harmful malware and viruses from infecting devices and the district network, only limited district personnel can install programs. However, if the device is a laptop, please check to see if the program is available in the Software Center. You can access the Software Center by typing in Software Center in the search of your computer. If the program is listed in the Software Center, you have full access to download that program onto your computer. If the program is not listed in the Software Center, or if you are trying to install a program on a device other than a laptop, the device will need to be taken to the school's Media Center, where the program can be installed if it is approved for use. Please remind your student that the device and any software contained on the equipment is licensed to the school district. Additional software not supplied by the district must not be installed on the equipment. The parent or guardian and student must not intentionally modify network configuration files or otherwise interfere with the functioning of the equipment.